Hello everyone, welcomes to my channel. Today's topic: Best Yoga for All Diseases. 1. Polycystic Ovary Syndrome, PCOS. Yoga helps manage PCOS by regulating the menstrual cycle, reducing insulin resistance, and balancing hormone levels. Through targeted poses like Dhanursana to activate reproductive organs, Bhujangasana to stimulate ovarian function, and Malasana to gently open the hips and pelvic floor. 2. Chronic fatigue syndrome. Yoga provides gentle support for chronic fatigue by boosting energy without strain, reducing inflammation, and enhancing mental clarity. Through deeply restorative practices like Savasana for rest, Viprata Karani to improve circulation, and gentle pranayam to reawaken vitality with mindful breath. 3. Pelvic floor dysfunction. Yoga strengthens the pelvic floor by activating deep muscles, improving bladder control, and enhancing core stability. Through foundational practices like Setu Bandhasana to lift and engage, Mula Bandha to activate internal support, and Ananda Balasana to relax the hips and release stored tension. 4. Cognitive decline brain health. Yoga enhances brain health by improving memory and focus, boosting neuroplasticity, and reducing mental fatigue. With practices like Padmasana to foster meditative clarity, Bhramari Pranayam to sharpen focus and calm the mind, and Sarvangasana to invigorate cerebral circulation. 5. Stress-induced hypertension. Yoga helps manage stress-related hypertension by lowering cortisol and adrenaline, improving vascular elasticity, and activating the parasympathetic nervous system. Through deeply restorative poses like Shavasana for full-body relaxation, Sukhasana with pranayam to unite breath and stillness, and Viprata Karani to gently calm the heart rate and ease tension. 6. Varicose veins. Yoga helps alleviate varicose veins by improving circulation, reducing swelling, and strengthening leg muscles. Through supportive poses like legs up the wall to reverse blood flow, Talasana to enhance posture and leg strength, and Pavan Muktasana to stimulate lower body circulation. 7. Hormonal imbalance. Yoga helps rebalance hormones by regulating endocrine glands, stabilizing mood swings, and supporting reproductive health. Through integrative poses like Sarvangasana to stimulate thyroid and pituitary activity, Matsyasana to open the chest and throat for hormonal flow, and Baddha Konasana to calm, ground, and center the body's rhythms. 8. Chronic sinusitis. Yoga alleviates chronic sinusitis by clearing nasal passages, reducing inflammation, and enhancing immunity through revitalizing practices like Bhujangasana to open the chest and sinuses, Jal Neti to cleanse nasal pathways, and Halasana to boost circulation to the head and support sinus relief. 9. Parkinson's disease, supportive therapy. Yoga serves as a gentle companion for those with Parkinson's by improving motor coordination, enhancing balance and flexibility, and easing tremors and rigidity. Through stabilizing poses like Tadasana for grounded posture, Warrior II for building leg strength and focus, and Chair Yoga variations for safe, adaptable movement. 10. Fibromyalgia. Yoga gently supports those with fibromyalgia by reducing pain sensitivity, improving sleep and energy levels, and easing muscle stiffness. Through restorative poses like Balasana for gentle stretching, and rest, supported bridge pose to release chest and hip tension, and Yoga Nidra to promote deep, healing relaxation. 11. Acid reflux GERD. Yoga helps alleviate acid reflux by enhancing digestion, reducing abdominal pressure, and calming the nervous system. Through restorative poses like Vajrasana to aid post-meal digestion, Ardha Matsyendrasana to gently detoxify abdominal organs, and Supta Baddha Konasana for deep relaxation and reduced gastric tension. 12. ADHD, Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. Yoga supports individuals with ADHD by enhancing attention, reducing impulsivity, and fostering emotional regulation. Through steadying poses like Vrikshasana to build concentration, Nadi Shodhana to harmonize brain hemispheres and calm the mind, and Baddha Konasana to promote gentle grounding and nervous system balance. 13. Carpal tunnel syndrome. Yoga offers relief for carpal tunnel by reducing wrist tension, improving circulation, and strengthening forearms. Through practices like reverse prayer pose to stretch and open the wrists, tabletop wrist rolls to gently mobilize joints, and eagle arms to release tension in the shoulders and activate forearm support. 14. Piles, hemorrhoids. Yoga helps relieve piles by improving bowel movements, reducing inflammation, and strengthening the pelvic floor. Through practices like Malsana to open the hips and support elimination, Viprata Karani to reduce rectal vein pressure, and Ashwini Mudra to activate and tone anal muscles. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.